Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice set of table or furniture leg extenders. Now these could be used if you didn't have legs on your furniture or if you're just wanting to have that furniture sit a little bit higher. These would be great if you have elderly people that are needing to be a little further off the ground so they don't sit down in the sofa so much. But I'm loving the fact that this comes with all the hardware and screws. Everything is a nice solid welded one piece. And it is completely adjustable from 5.12 to 9.45 inches. You can simply twist this end like you would a shower curtain rod to bring it out. And it gives basically infinite versatility anywhere in between, and it has a nice plastic end on there to help kind of an anti-scratch on the bottom. And that way, whenever you screw that into the bottom of a piece of furniture, it's going to be nice and stable, raising that up. This would also work great if you were going to be using this for a bed. A lot of times beds have different heights, and whenever you have it under the bed like storage unit, sometimes they don't fit under the bed. This is a great versatile option to get you that perfect height for your bed so you can slide things underneath your bed, which is really great as well. Loving the fact that it came packaged really nice and that they have so much versatility and are so easy to use. This would work well for pretty much anyone's furniture.